guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Curly91, and if this is your first time, then welcome. I hope you find something on this channel that is useful, that is helpful, or that you find something that inspires you. Now, if you do, I hope it convinces you to subscribe. Today, we're doing my second video for my Heatless Curls series. And today, we're going to be using Texture ID. So, I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioner, the styling cream, and the thermal multi-styling foam. So, today, we're going to do foam rods or flexi rods, and I have done flexi rods before. I put the link down below, but that was when my hair was shorter and I wanted to do it again. So we're going to see how this comes out. So if that's what you came to see, then stay tuned. So I really want to do this on dry hair. I don't want to do my flexi rods on wet hair. The last video I did on flexi rods, it was on wet hair. So if you want to see how that came out, then I will put that down in the description and somewhere up here. But this one I want to do on dry hair. But I want to show you what the pre-step is. So what I'm going to do is add the leave-in conditioner and add the styling cream. And then I'm going to braid my hair and just allow it to air dry. And once that's done, once it's dried, then we will get into actual video. So I'm just going to go ahead and it's a spray leave-in. So, you know, I gotta get a lot of it. And it's thick, so it's not like a water leave-in. It's actually a thick leave-in. It's just in a spray bottle. Apply the styling cream, and this styling cream is thick. When I say thick, thick. Do you see? It looks like jello. So, I'm gonna apply that to my hair. So I have 3 plaits in this section. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that all throughout my hair, and then I'll be back. So I'm done putting my hair in smaller sections and braiding it. So I'm just gonna let it air dry, and once that's done, I'm gonna be back and we're gonna get into this video. The Texture ID multi-styling foam to my hair, and I'm gonna use these rods. I have about 30 rods, so I'm gonna do like 12 in the back and 18 in the front, and let's do that. Okay, so I wanted to come back, of course, to give a short critique on these Flexi rod results. And first, the product was great. Texture ID was very moisturizing. Every single product was very moisturizing. My hair didn't feel dry at all. The second thing is, doing it on dry hair, I had a lot more puffy roots, and you can see that in the video compared to when I did it on wet hair, and my roots weren't puffy at all. So I need to work on that technique, obviously, and get better at it, and we're gonna get better at it. And then I needed to just give it a little more time to dry. I kind of underestimated how long it would take to dry by just using the foam. So just leaving it a little longer to dry, and I think the results were good, and they could be better, but these are the ways I think I can improve the set the next time I try it again. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.